To review, you reveal an ad or a link for Shop Z on your site, blog site, or social media network. A customer clicks your distinct link. The client buys and stores Z. The affiliate network records the deal. The purchase is verified by Store Z. You earn money a commission. On the low end, you'll earn about 5% of the sale, but, with some arrangements, you can earn as much as 50%, usually when promoting a class or event. There are also affiliate marketing programs that offer a flat rate per sale instead of a portion. How to begin affiliate marketing? Not too tough, best? Just like running your own little company, ending up being a successful affiliate takes devotion and discipline. Select your platform and technique. The primary step is finding out the platform you wish to construct your audience around. Every affiliate online marketer has a different approach and platform. There are many affiliate marketing concepts you can select from based upon different methods. These are sites that examine items for a particular audience or compare a line of products versus their competitors. Digital content creators consist of bloggers, YouTubers, or social media influencers. They create niche content that resonates with a target audience. The goal is to naturally present specific niche products their audience will delight in. This increases the possibilities they'll buy and you learn an affiliate commission. If you're an educator, you can integrate affiliate partnership offers into your occasions. Which platforms do you understand best? Starting with a marketing platform you're comfortable with assists you produce top quality material. Decide your niche and audience. When it comes to choosing a niche, aim for something you're passionate and educated about. This helps you discover as genuine and as a relied-on source of information for potential clients. It likewise helps you examine which products and brands you wish to promote. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.